Hello, friends. The capital of Turkey is Istanbul, and the old name of Istanbul is Constantinople. Constantinople or Istanbul is the only city in the world that is on two continents, Europe and Asia. Now, the reason why I talk about this is because back in the days when the Europeans wanted to do trade with India, they had to pass through Constantinople, and they wanted to do a lot of trade with India, spices and all, because India was called the Golden Sparrow at that time. Then what happened is the Turks came and they conquered Constantinople and they blocked the Europeans from coming to India. Now, Europeans wanted to come to India, but they cannot come via land route. So they decided that the only way to come is through sea. Now, one of the theories was if the world is round, if I sail west from Europe, I'm going to eventually hit India. And that is what a lot of people did. Some people decided to go south and they came all the way to the tip of Africa, Cape of Good Hope, and then from there they went to India. But those people who believed in the theory that the earth is round traveled west and they hit America instead of India. And when they came there, they were sick and tired, and the natives offered them food. And the reason I talk about this story is that tomorrow is one of the greatest and the most popular and most beloved festival of America. It's called Thanksgiving. Americans celebrate this event when the pilgrims, as they call, from Europe came to America. They were given food by the Native Americans, and they are saying thanks in return, hence the name Thanksgiving. So today is Thursday. Thanksgiving is always the third Thursday of November, which is tomorrow. So I'm just driving outside, trying to buy whatever I want, run all the errands, because tomorrow the country will be shut down. People are going to celebrate Thanksgiving. They're going to have good food. They are going to drink beer, watch football. And I believe most of the Indian stores also will be closed. They might be open for half a day, but after that, everything will be closed, and people just will get together with their friends, with their families generally. That is why it's called Thanksgiving. But for those people who don't have family, they will get together with their friends, and they call it lovingly Friendsgiving. So it's all about getting together, eating food, talking and drinking, watching football, American football, and having a good time. So happy Thanksgiving to everyone.